So hello everyone, in this video we will talk about CNC stock and the key levels to watch September 12, 2025. In previous trading session the stock formed a small bullish pin bar candle. So now the first key support level is $33.36. If the price goes below $33.36, it could test $31.14. The key resistance level is $37.84. If the price breaks above $37.84, it could test $41.71. Sorry, it could test $38.68. It could test $38.68. That's my view on CNC stock today. If you found this helpful, please subscribe for more updates. This video is for education only, not financial advice. Always do your own research before investing. Thanks for watching.